Raymond, what he did? Yeah. What? You have a good time here, huh? Yeah. What?
The what?
What?
The pulmonary stuff you're
It's a
talking
body.
about.
What did you do? Yeah. Really? Wow. What else do you want to tell me? Huh? What else? Yeah. Huh? Ding 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 ding. Ding ding ding. Yeah. Raymond. Yeah.
So from here you
That's
can
so
see your right
cool.
upper
Really?
pulmonary vein.
I know. Yeah.
The first time so many people.
Yeah. I
Yeah,
know.
see?
Wow.
And then
Really?
go on
Really,
here.
really,
This
buddy?
is your.
Really? Yeah. That's a big one.
I know you're keeping your tummy muscles.
Yeah.
Like where you're right up, like your right upper pulmonary vein. And so like this is like where you would see like a you have a sinus stenosis or anything like that, but I think for older kids a lot of times that's where I'll get my upper pulmonary vein picture from because you don't see it as much in your cranium.